Welcome to my channel Proper Watches. If you are looking for the best new Zenith watches, based on specification, you are in the right place. I included all the link in video description below. Now, let's get started. Number 9. Zenith DEFY Extreme, FELIPE Pantone. Movement L PRIMERO components 93. Frequency 36,000 VPH, 5HC, power reserve Mn. 50 hours functions 1/100 th of a second chronograph. Central chronograph hand that makes one turn each second. Chronograph power reserve indication at 12 o'clock. Hours and minutes in the center, small seconds at 9 o'clock. Case material polished stainless steel and blue Yaz diameter. 45 mm water resistance 20 atm dial. Tinted sapphire with FELIPE's iridescent effect artwork. Pattern strap transparent blue rubber. Clasp stainless steel folding clasp. Unique and vibrant timepiece that is the result of a collaboration between Swiss watchmaker Zenith and Argentine-Spanish artist Felipe Pantone. Number 8. Zenith CHRONOMASTER Revival, a 384 shadow. Case material micro-blasted, tie diameter 37 mm. Water resistance 5 atm dial. Black functions 1/100 th of a second chronograph. Central chronograph hand that makes one turn each second. Chronograph power reserve indication at 12 o'clock, hours and minutes in the center, small seconds. At 9 o'clock, movement L PRIMERO components 293. Frequency 36,000 VPH, power reserve Min. 50 hours. Strap transparent blue rubber clasp stainless steel folding clasp. Striking timepiece from the Swiss luxury watchmaker Zenith. This model is part of the CHRONOMASTER collection, which is known for its precision and high-quality craftsmanship. Number 7. Zenith DEFY Revival A3642. Case material steel diameter 37 mm. Water resistance 30 atm dial gradient brown. Strap stainless steel ladder bracelet functions hours and minutes. In the center, date indication at 4:30 central seconds. Hand movement elite. Components 144. Frequency 28,800 VPH, 4HC, power reserve Min. 50 hours. Alpinist great piece, incredibly affordable, and just love this brand. Number 6. Zenith CHRONOMASTER Original E-commerce Edition. Case material steel diameter 38 mm. Water resistance 5 atm. Dial silver with 3 different colored counters and special 1/10 th of a second scale. Divided in 3 colors. Strap gray calfskin leather with special stitchings. Clasp stainless steel triple folding clasp movement. L PRIMERO components 311. Frequency 36,000 VPH. Power reserve approx. 60 hours. Functions 1/10 th of a second. Chronograph. Central chronograph hand that makes one turn in 10 seconds. They will have the most up-to-date information on their watch collections, including any special editions or e-commerce exclusives. Number 5. Zenith Master of Chronograph. Case material 18 CT gold diameter 41 mm. Water resistance 10 atm dial white matte. With 3 different applied colored counters. Strap gold bracelet clasp movement L PRIMERO. Components 311. Frequency 36,000 VPH. Power reserve approx. 60 hours. Functions 1/10 th of a second. Chronograph. Central chronograph hand that makes one turn in 10 seconds. Hours and minutes in the center, small seconds at 9 o'clock. Well-known collection of chronograph watches called the L PRIMERO collection. The Zenith L PRIMERO chronograph watches are highly regarded in the watchmaking industry for their precision and heritage. Number 4. Zenith CHRONOMASTER Revival Safari. Case material micro-blasted, tie diameter 37 mm. Water resistance 5 atm dial khaki green with black counters. Strap khaki green Cordura effect clasp. Micro-blasted titanium pin buckle movement. L PRIMERO components 278. Frequency 36,000 VPH. Power reserve Min. 50 hours. Strap khaki green Cordura effect clasp micro-blasted. Titanium pin buckle functions chronograph. Central chronograph hand hours and minutes. In the center, small seconds at 9 o'clock. Tachymetric scale date indication at 4:30 30 The Chronomaster. Revival Safari is part of the brand's Revival collection, which pays homage to iconic Zenith timepieces from the past. Number 3. Zenith Chronomaster Collection, El PRIMERO Range Rover. Black ceramic case with a blue calfskin leather strap. Fixed black ceramic bezel. Gray dial with silver tone hands and index hour. Markers. Minute markers around the outer rim. Chronograph sub-dials displaying 360 seconds, 30 minutes, and 12 hours. Zenith Caliber El PRIMERO 400 automatic movement power reserve of approximately 50 hours. Scratch-resistant sapphire crystal. Transparent case back. Round case shape, case size 42 mm, case thickness 12.75 mm. Deployment clasp. Water resistant at 100 meters. This partnership brought together the watchmaking expertise of Zenith and the automotive heritage of Land Rover's Range Rover luxury SUV. Number 2. Zenith DEFY 0G. Case material brushed titanium. Diameter 44 mm, water resistance 10 atm. Dial open worked with one different colored counter strap. Titanium bracelet functions hours and minutes accented at 12 o'clock. Self-regulating gravity control module at 6 o'clock. Small seconds at 9 o'clock. Power reserve indication at 2 o'clock. Movement. El PRIMERO components 324 frequency 36,000 VPH. Power reserve mid 50 hours. This model showcases the brand's technical expertise and innovation, incorporating a groundbreaking gyroscopic gravity control module. Number 1. Zenith Pilot Montardero NEF Type 20 Black. Dial automatic men's watch 29.2430. 67,921. T753. Item shape round, dial window material type sapphire. Crystal display type analog clasp tang buckle. Case material 45 mm, case diameter 45 mm. Case thickness 14.25, band material leather. Band color brown, dial color black, bezel material fixed. Movement automatic, water resistant, depth 100 meters. Item weight 4.2 pounds. The quality is really outstanding at this price point. This timepiece is designed to pay homage to the brand's historical ties with aviation and the early days of aviation instruments. Tribute to the aviation heritage of the brand. And features bold, vintage-inspired designs. Thank you for joining us on this captivating journey through the world of watches. We've explored the history, craftsmanship, and innovation that make these timepieces so remarkable. From intricate complications to timeless elegance,